Fueltracker was created to track your fuel levels, fuel consumption, vehicle performance, driving behavior that enable fleet managers and fleet owners to make cost-saving decisions and give you insights on every kilometer traveled in real time with warranty-friendly installations. It has become vital to keep track of your fuel, vehicles and drivers within your company, due to the rise of fuel prices and theft increasing at an alarming rate. Let's have a look at some of Fueltracker's features. Start by logging in with your given email and password. This is what the Fueltracker dashboard looks like. Here it shows your total distance driven, your total amount of fuel used, average fuel consumption, and vehicle statuses. It also shows vehicle locations. On the live map, it shows your vehicle. Select your vehicle to view your vehicle information. Below vehicle information, it shows a list of all your vehicle trips. Click on Detail to view a certain trip. This is what your trip details dashboard looks like. On this screen it shows your maximum and average speed, the time and distance of your trip, fuel details, and the start and end fuel tank levels. Under Alerts, go to Vehicle Events. On this screen you can view and edit your alerts for your vehicle. Click on Add a New Alert button to create a new alert. Choose which driver behavior you would like to be alerted on. Next you need to choose which vehicle events you want to be alerted on. Then select which vehicle conditions you want to be alerted on. Next, choose how you would like to be alerted when these events occur. Then choose which vehicles must be linked to this alert. And lastly, choose which users must receive this alert. When you are done, click Save. Under Administration, go to Geofences. On this screen, it shows a list of all your geofences. To create a new geofence, click on the blue plus button. To the right of this screen, select a tool to create a geofence area on the map. Then add a name and description for your geofence. You can select the category to be whitelisted or blacklisted. You can also choose whether you want to be notified when this geofence is entered or exited. Click Save when you are done. You can view your notifications by clicking on the bell icon next to your profile. On this screen it shows a list of notifications of all your events and alerts of your vehicle. You can also download Fueltracker's mobile app, with screens that also allow you to view your trip details and live map. Receive notifications and alerts on all events that occur of your vehicle. For more information on Fueltracker, contact us, and you can start tracking your fuel in real time, saving and encourage good driving habits starting today.